Good evening, this is Keith Hall, and welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on how to insert or create a simple lollipop chart. Now, basically, a lollipop chart is what you see over here on the right. You have this circle and the stem. So this looks like the top of a lollipop and the stick that it is on. So a combination of lines and darts, what does that do or represent? Well, it emphasizes the difference between the values for one, and the dot at the end of the line, right here, the dot acts as a focal point, which makes it easier to compare values across categories, as you can see here. Now, lollipop charts are best used for, this is just one example, when you have categories and corresponding numerical values, like you see over here on the left. You have this category of activity, and then you have the variable values associated with that activity. And it makes it easier to compare the values across the different categories, as you can see. So let's go ahead and insert this lollipop chart and let's create it from scratch. So what you want to do is you want to select your data, go up here to insert, and then what you want to do is come over to the charts group here, and you want to select, first of all, select the line chart with markers. That's what you want to do. Okay, let's move this over here. We can expand it a little bit. Now, what we want to do is, in order to get these lines here, what you want to do is go ahead and select your line, and then go up to the chart design tab, and over here towards the left, it says add chart elements. What we want to do is we want to go down to the lines and add drop lines. As you can see, the drop lines are now inserted to represent the stick of the lollipop. So our next change is we want to select the line chart, select Control 1, which is a shortcut to bring up your pane over here to format your data series. And what we want to do is we want to select the fill in line icon. And for the line, we want no line. As you can see, it removes the line. Now, the other thing that you want to do is you want to increase or emphasize the dot here. So let's go over here. Let's click on the dot, which is the series. And again, if this pane disappears, just press Control 1. And what you want to do is you want to go over to the fill and line icon, select that, select the marker options, select them built in. Right now you want to keep it as a circle, but let's increase the size a bit. And let's go to a size 15 is one thing. Okay, you can close that down. Now what we also want to do is we want to add data labels. So right click, select on the data series and add data labels. And you want to add data labels for all of them. As you can see, by default, Excel puts the data labels to the right of your thing. So you want to select the data labels, Control 1. As you can see, you got the Format Data Labels option appearing. And what you want to do, it automatically defaults to this, but select the label options. Go down and select label options here, and you want to, in this case, you want to have the data labels appear above the lollipop. So select above that. You close that. Now you want to format it as you see fit. As their data labels are selected, you can press Control B to bolden it. And you could also go up to the Home tab here, and if you want to increase the font size, you could do that too. The next thing is we want to thicken the stick of the lollipop. So you want to select the drop lines, press Control-1. And what you want to do is you want to increase the width of it. So let's increase it to maybe 0.3 or, yeah, 3. If you want to change the color of the stick itself or the line itself, the drop line, you can select color and let's choose black. Okay, that's one thing. Now let's get rid of the grid lines. So select the grid lines. All you do is select them and press the delete key on keyboard. Let's get rid of the y-axis. Click on that, press the delete key. And there you have it. You have a simple lollipop chart. And of course, you get more sophisticated with this, but this is a simple way to create a lollipop chart. Hopefully this tutorial was easy and simplistic. And thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you watching the video today. Remember to like and comment on it. And as always, please subscribe to the channel so you will always get updated when a new video comes out. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.